I don't think that that's fair for him to even say that.
They believed the secrets were underground, that no one would ever be brave enough to challenge the past, that the truth would remain locked behind doors forevermore. But Meri, she didn't just bring forms to court, she brought evidence. The courtroom was charged. Robyn shifted uncomfortably, and Kody stood there with his arms crossed, his eyes scanning the room like a caged animal. No one knew what Meri had, not Christine, not Janelle, not even the lawyer. Then, from her purse, Meri produced a folder. Not any folder. It was the original DNA results, sealed, untouched until this moment. A collective gasp rose from the courtroom as the envelope was handed to the judge. Robyn went white. Kody adjusted his position in his seat. We all knew it. Something monumental was about to be revealed. The judge opened it slowly, silent, read the contents once, twice. His eyebrows shot up, and then, in his most measured tone, he said, "Mr. Brown, are you aware of the discrepancies these test results indicate?" Kody stuttered. "What contradictions?" The judge flipped the page over for the court to read. The DNA showed that one of Robyn's children from her past marriage wasn't biologically related to the man on the original birth certificate. Instead, there were irregularities that indicated a timeline in which Kody and Robyn had been far more involved long before they ever laid claim. Robyn stared as if she'd just seen a spirit. Her mouth fell open, but words failed her. Kody's smirk disappeared. Meri moved forward, steady, collected, strong. "You two lied. You told us you hadn't had a relationship until much later, but this DNA tells us otherwise." The room rumbled. Christine gasped loudly. Janelle shook her head. The courtroom exploded. But Meri wasn't finished. She removed a second envelope. "And this is the medical report Robyn signed while still under Kody's name, years prior to her becoming legally part of the family insurance fraud or manipulation." Kody leaped to his feet. "This is out of context." But the judge didn't blink. "Sit down, Mr. Brown." Now the tide had turned. The judge called for an emergency recess and instructed a complete examination of Robyn and Kody's finances, with DNA evidence now on the record. Robyn's hands shook as she took a sip of her water. Kody leaned into his attorney, muttering something nobody could hear, but it wasn't necessary, because in that instant, the world finally witnessed it. Meri wasn't an innocent bystander anymore. She was the storm that you never expected. And just when you thought that all of the secrets were spilled, wait until you hear what Meri's second letter contained. But that is on the next video. Subscribe now.